And at this point we have successfully removed our AC unit. Now I do want to bring up one thought. If we rotate it to the side that had our expansion valve, we have our expansion valve location on the outside of the evap coil. We have our ductwork port that's clearly viewable, and inside there we can clearly see our evap coil. Wouldn't it have been much easier for the manufacturer to put an access door on this side of the AC unit so you could just open the door and slide the evap coil out? Just a thought. I know there are some hacks where you can cut this, but then getting it resealed and back together would prove to be problematic.